then the last one was unfair for all, which made it fair.
Yung 1 hour decide na
Yuval and Kai. I just expected, but it was you.
Yung kasi binigyan na tayo ng sasa. Nasa inyo, hawak ko nun, tapos bago ulit.
Kaya nga eh. Kulang pa yung yakap pa.
Una ko nga nakita ko yung
Yeah, actually.
Imagine mo na
Mahihilo ka.
Imagine mo pala sa yung
Oh my gosh.
yung lahat natataranta.
Tumakbo ako kasi, alam ko kung galit na ako sa bigla.
Oo na, hindi sunod. Di ba kasi instruction siya eh. Hindi naman nadinig na ganyan. Wait, nakapas ko na 4 minutes, tapos naging ilang seconds?
10 seconds na.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, sumigaw ka.
Tapos magbubutuhan pa. Ay, hindi pa tapos yung butuhan.
Hindi pa.
Totoo siya kahit mas.
It takes courage and it's so good. Oh my gosh, yan yung marker mo. Undetermined daughter. And you showed that. And it took courage. And I know it was painful.
Pero, inuna niya din mo.
Kasi parang hindi lang feeling wala pero dahil umiyak. Pero same goes with another na it wasn't, it's not galit kami or anything. It's just we feel so much for that place. Ganun lang. But we're not mad. We're not hindi lahat. Yeah. It's the bond na nag-react kami.
Siguro nasa sa akin kung you take it personally.
Ako, I didn't take it personally also because at the end of the day,
Dito survive.
you didn't survive. So,
Kailangan natin paglaban.
I hope you don't, as an Tinkerbell, I hope you don't think na we feel anything for you.
It's a vibe.
As overthinkers, we have